my second video tutorial on making greeting card. So in this video you'll be learning to use multiple color paper strips to make funky design with some flowers. So let's quickly hop in and see how to make this greeting card. Okay, so I'm going to make a greeting card today. I've chosen some colors. Let's see how it goes. I'm doing it randomly. Okay, I'd love to play with colors actually. So I'm up to experimenting things always. While pasting the ends, you just cut it with your hands instead of a scissor, so that it looks like a feathery end. So the joining of two paper sheets becomes easier. This I learned from Pritesh. She's one of the famous Indian coolers. Here is my cutting board wherein I keep looking when I feel that it's not a straight line, like both are not parallel to each other. If some discrepancy is there. So there you go, I'm going to start rolling. Let me roll it again. I'm gonna pinch it at the end such that it looks like a teardrop. This is my first petal. I like this strips from Shilpi. You get vast range of shades in one color. I usually prefer Shilpi paper strips. That you put a tinge of glue, not much, because it slips away. The other strip which you're going to stick, it's going to slip away easily. While you're rolling the paper strip, just make sure that you're not pulling the paper strip tightly, because it's going to make it difficult for removing the cooling tool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll 1/4 strip of this light pink. flower ready. So I thought that if I keep the flower like this also it looks nice. So I'm continuing the design like this, making another flower. Let's see how I will be designing it as a final greeting card. Even I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. It's all about experimenting. This time I tried to make the paper strips ready well before I start rolling the strips. I keep trying different things but I get bored. That becomes 4. Now let me make the center part of the flower. If I keep it like this, it looks, because in my previous greeting card I tried something like this, like putting the stem to the flowers and then making leaves. Okay, that looks cool, pretty nice. So maybe I will make stem here and here and connect them. What do you think? Or this way, I can even connect this way. This way also looks good. Let me see first. Let me see. Let me paste all the petals and the flowers. Let me assemble the flowers and see how it looks. Let me see how I can connect them. Now let me see how I can connect them. I have all the flowers ready now. Okay, this looks pretty nice. Okay, that. I think we can make some concentric circles kind of design maybe. Let me try that. By the way, I'm thinking loud. Just a party, so come as you are. Dress it up or dress it down and forget your guitar. Just be courageous, 'cause that's contagious. Everyone can rock out like a superstar. Let's get crazy. Get up and dance, take a swing, do your thing. It's worth taking a chance, let's get crazy. Yeah, just kick up your heels, don't miss out, time to shout. Always keeping it real. This is one of my favorite songs from my from when I was a teenager. I really love to sing, so I thought I'll sing for you. Hope you didn't mind. Okay, so coming back to the design here. from here to here. So now I'm done with the second layer from within. I'm going to go with another color maybe. Done with my design. I'm going to complete these concentric lines from within. Let me see. I need to check another one. Making a greeting card using multiple color paper strips to make some funky design. Do try this and let me know in the comments below your top 3 takeaway from this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.